the counties need the Division of Revenue Act passed, so that on the basis of the share of revenue, the Senate can pass the County Allocation of Revenue Act, upon which the counties will then proceed to do their budgets. Therefore, this is a matter of urgent national importance. It is important that this agreement is reached as soon as possible, so that we can transact the business of the people of Kenya in the manner that they expect us to do.
And us as a Council of Governors, we want this issue resolved by Thursday this week, so that we are able to pass our budgets in the various county assemblies.